Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video. I am going to do, this is actually a commission piece. It's one of my swiped waves. So this is a 16 by 16 inch gallery wrapped canvas. And I'm just doing the regular swipe wave that I normally do. I'll link a video here so you can see what I'm talking about. But I'm just going to put a base of white down, and then I'm going to put my color down, and I'm going to swipe it with the palette knife. Okay. Every time I make one of these, I pretty much sell it right away, and this is a request for one this size. So I usually, honestly, I make them bigger than this, usually like 18 by 18, 20 by 20, 24 by 24. I started making 12 by 12s, and I've sold a few of those, but she wanted a 16 by 16, and so that's what I'm doing today. All right, so I will be right back, and I'll have my white down and we'll get started. All right, so I just showed you how I pour my white down. It's how I usually do it. And now I have a bunch of bubbles because I shook my white paint, and I shouldn't have done that. My consistency is pretty much a Dutch pour consistency. 1-to-1 Floetrol paint and water to thin. That's my recipe. Something in there. Okay, so I'm just going to pop my bubbles. All right, and I use Artist Loft Flow Acrylic for my white. Colors I'm going to use today, I have a couple new colors. This is Blick Studio Metallic Teal. I have my other new color is Modern Masters Venetian Blue. Got this at Michael's. I have another new color, it's Jacquard Lumiere Citrine. It's like a metallic, it's pretty. Kind of expensive, you only get a tiny little container. I'll show you. That's the container. I got this on Amazon. This is the Venetian Blue container. All right, so I got those two. I have Prussian Blue, and this is an AC Moore paint. I have Iridescent Mixture Teal. It has primary elements as well in there. The primary pigments, but this is just a mixture I mixed up of all different iridescents. I have some Blue Flash. This is going to be flashy. And I think that's going to be it. All right, so I have no silicone on any of my paints, but I am going to swipe with a little bit of white and the Floetrol mixture as needed, just to give me the foam feeling that I like to get with my waves. All right. I don't know that I'm going to use any silicone. I think I'm just going to try. We'll see. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm not going to. I'm going to try the mixture that I use, 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part titanium white Amsterdam, and see if that works, because I don't think I have done it that way. All right, so I'm going to start putting my colors down, and here we go. Okay, so I'm actually getting a few cells in there without even adding anything. So I am just going to wipe my knife off. And I'm going to add just a little Floetrol mixture to see what happens. So I'm just going to put it on a little piece of paper right here beside my painting. And I'm just going to take a little bit. All right, so I'm not really getting all that much from just the Floetrol mixture. So, because I had already swiped it. Maybe if I had swiped it with the white, but I didn't want to do that because I don't want to saturate my colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little of my Spot On treadmill mixture or silicone, and I have a little bit of white in a cup, and I'm just going to put one little drop. I think I just put too much in there, but that's okay. And then I'm going to start okay, and I'm going to swipe with this. Pretty happy with the colors right now. This is really pretty. All right, so I need a new piece of paper. I'm just going to take this, turn it over, put that down. All right, and I'm going to take this, swipe this in here because I want this to get a little foamy feeling. All right, see the cells popping up? All right, I am finished. Pretty happy with this. I think the client will like it. I used the colors that she asked for. I had another one that was kind of similar, just a different size. Although obviously each one is going to be a little different, but I really like it. I'm going to pop some air bubbles, which may make some cells pop up, but like it. All right. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions. I get back to you pretty quickly. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Have a great one. I'll see you all real soon. Bye-bye.